Hi my loves, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinazo Mary Cynthia. If this is your first time on this channel, please do to subscribe, join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So guys, on today's video, we're going to be talking about sensitive skin and sensitized skin. Yes, they might look similar, but trust me that there are some differences. And that is what we are going to be dissecting today. Now, you have been saying that you have a sensitive skin. There is a high possibility that you do not have a sensitive skin. What you might have is just a sensitized skin. When we talk about sensitive skin, sensitive skin is normally it is genetics. All right, sensitive skin is that skin type, it is a skin type, all right, that is genetically prone to irritations. What did I say? It is genetically prone to irritations. So there is nothing you can do to make your skin to change from being sensitive to becoming oily or dry or combination. No, it is automatically your skin type, that it is genetics, it is natural. There is nothing you can do about it. All right, now sensitized skin is a skin condition. It is a skin condition. Remember I said that sensitive skin is a skin type. Now sensitized skin is a skin condition that has been prone to irritations due to some external factors. Should I come again? Now, sensitive skin is a skin type that genetically it is prone to irritations. No amount of facials, no amount of whatever you want to rub on your skin is going to change your skin from becoming sensitive to automatically becoming oily, combination or normal. No, that is your skin type. You have a sensitive skin type. Now, a sensitized skin is a skin condition that is prone to irritations due to some external factors. Now, something caused it. Something made your skin to become sensitized. All right? Good. Now, a sensitive skin and a sensitized skin, they have similar symptoms. Now, what are these symptoms? Dryness, itchiness, burning sensation, rough and flaky patches on the skin, redness on the skin, broken skin barrier. All right, all these things are signs that you have maybe a sensitive skin or a sensitized skin. Now, I will use myself as an example. Normally, I have an oily skin type. Men looking at my face, you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that, oh, this girl has an oily skin. It is obvious I have an oily skin type. Now, sometime last year, I had a sensitized skin. Now, what caused it? What caused it was because I was using salicylic acid on my skin every single day, morning and night. And I was not even applying a sunscreen. I did not even have a sunscreen. So my skin barrier became so broken, it became so bad, so impaired. Now, that is one of the signs of sensitive skin and also sensitized skin. I'm going to be leaving a picture of my face sometime last year when my skin was sensitized. Now, the period my skin was sensitized, I was having this burning sensation. Whenever I use my salicylic acid toner, it kind of gives me this stinging feeling. It gives me a burning sensation that sometimes lasts for, let's say, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. My skin will be feeling so hot and stinging. Do you understand? So my skin barrier at that point was broken. It was not normal anymore. All right. Now, the skincare vendor I got products from, okay, I told her and she said I should continue using the products. Thank God I didn't listen. That was when I then met my esthetician and she corrected my routine. So, before you say you have a sensitive skin, be sure that you do not have a sensitized skin. Be sure it is not a sensitized skin that you are mistaking for a sensitive skin. Now, how do you handle your sensitized skin? I have a video on how to repair a damaged skin barrier, because of course when your skin is sensitized, it means that your skin barrier is no longer in check. It means that something has tampered with your skin barrier. I have a video on that. All right. What you just need to do, if you are somehow experiencing burning sensation, redness on your skin, remove every form of active in your skincare routine. Things like your salicylic acid, things like your retinol, just remove benzoyl peroxide, just remove them from your skincare routine. The things you can only allow in your routine are maybe actives like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, then ingredients like ceramides, urea, just hydrating ingredients, glycerin, panthenol. These are the kind of ingredients you can allow in your skincare routine. Let's start from there. Tackle it, be sure that it is not a sensitized skin that you are suffering from before you declare yourself someone who has a sensitive skin. All right. Now, to repair your skin barrier, if you have a sensitized skin, it is going to take you maximum 6 weeks. I think so. Yes, because mine took me 4 to 5 weeks before my skin came back to normal. Then I reintroduced salicylic acid again. All right. So when I had a damaged skin barrier, when my skin was sensitized, I was using just a hydrating cleanser, my hydrating moisturizer, and then my sunscreen. That's all. Later, I introduced rose water and niacinamide. So yes, that is all you have to do once you start noticing any form of burning sensation, redness, itchiness on your skin. When you have done this, give it at least 6 weeks. So now, after 6 weeks, if it still continues, then consider yourself someone who has a sensitive skin type. And I have a video on sensitive skin, things you should avoid if you have a sensitive skin. And of course, if you also have a sensitized skin, you should also avoid things like this. Okay, things like products that contain fragrance, alcohol, or color. And then you should also avoid scrubs. I have a video on this. Just go and watch it. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. And also the kind of products you should have in your skincare routine. All right, products that are hydrating, products that are calming, that are soothing on your skin. Any product that is going to strip out moisture from your skin, whether you have sensitized skin or sensitive skin, avoid it. All right, I have a video on that. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. So before you declare yourself someone who has a sensitive skin, be sure you are not suffering from sensitized skin. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.